In this video, you'll be learning how to remove user account password in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. Now, the very first thing that we need to do is we need to bring up our settings. So how we can do that, please navigate here at the bottom search bar, type for settings. Once you have typed it, please wait until a best match would appear in this window, and once it's here, double tap to continue. By the way, you can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. So from here, directly navigate to the left side where you can see a list of the option. Please locate with the option called accounts. So it is next to apps, click on it. And the moment you have bring up the account settings, please scroll down on the list and proceed to sign in option since we're dealing with the removal of the user account password. So in order to view the password, please ensure first that this switch is off, okay? Once you have disabled it, the password would be appear. I mean the option of password or the password section would be appearing here next to security key. So click on this down arrow key aligning to it, and in that way you would be able to see the password here. So in my case, I don't use or I'm not setting my password. I'm not setting a password here in my PC. Instead, I am using a Windows PIN as my security PIN in my PC. Okay? That's why whenever I click the down arrow key under the password, I don't get the option for removed. Okay? So instead, I'll get an option for removed under the PIN. Okay? So if you have if you have set a password, a user account password in the PC, and if you would like to remove it, just click on removed. So for example, this is a removed option under the password. Click on it and it will ask you to confirm your action. Okay, just click on removed and in that way you would be able to remove the piece, the user account password. Okay, so if it will ask you to type the current password, just type that to confirm your action, and in that way you would be able to remove it safely here in your Windows. Once you're good, whenever you start or whenever you logged in your PC again, it will no longer require you to input the user account password since you have successfully removed it here in your PC or laptop. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.